Cherry MX RGB switches for faster response times and enhanced gaming performance. 100% anti-ghosting, full key rollover, and onboard memory for on-the-fly macro recording. Customizable logo badge for adding your own flair to your gaming station. ASUS Aura Sync RGB lighting features a nearly endless spectrum of colors with the ability to synchronize effects across an ever-expanding ecosystem of Aura Sync-enabled products. Integrated media controls keep your hands on the keyboard during intense gaming sessions. A handy USB pass-through at the back of ROG Strix Flare lets you conveniently connect your gaming mouse, headset or other devices. Powered by Aura Sync, the entire color spectrum and a range of dynamic lighting effects are at your command for you to create a keyboard that is uniquely yours. The SDK provides an evolving toolkit of options to enhance games and software with RGB lighting. Game effects, alerts, and audio can all be portrayed via Aura-compatible hardware. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent feel. The Strix Flare has great cherry switches and the style matches my other ROG great. It has an very nice key feel and feedback. The wrist rest is at just the right height for me and the USB pass-through is a great place to put a biometric login device.